Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, kind of a nice cool start to this early morning.
Yeah, Joe, we're going to be starting off on a cool note here, and then we're going to see the temperatures really fluctuate and become a yo-yo all the way through the end of the week and through the weekend and early next week. And that's kind of an indication of what we're seeing today for the first time in our long-range forecasts, that we're going to see this fluctuation with these troughs and temperatures going up and down for the next week. We won't get a lot of moisture, but then there could be some changes in the 8 to 14 day that would bring some colder weather and some chances for maybe some rain or snow once we get to Halloween night through the first week of November. Out there this morning, we're starting off with temperatures right around 40 degrees if you're along that Highway 25. If you're to the west of it, you're seeing temperature readings of 37 out there in Ray, 38 in Akron, 39 in Goodland, 41 in Burlington, 37 Lyman. You get to the east of 25, you got 42 in McCook and Oberlin, 42 in Colby, 41 in Norton, and 46 in Hill City. Winds are from a northeast direction at 5 miles per hour. They'll be light through the day at that 5 to 10 mile per hour clip, but that is pulling a high pressure and colder air into the area from the north and east. So we're not going to see temperatures really warm up a lot. We're going to see them go up there to upper 60s to around 70. That's going to be 10, 15 degrees cooler than what we saw yesterday when it was unseasonably warm. And then tomorrow, this turns around as that high pressure moves away. Winds will come to the south-southeast direction at 10 to 15 miles per hour, then become a bit breezy as a trough that goes through the area in the afternoon and evening with a cold front that'll turn those winds to a northwesterly direction at 15, gusting to 30 miles per hour. What that does is for that front arrives, we're going to see the temperatures climb up there into the upper 70s, maybe hitting 80 degrees. Then they drop tomorrow night to near freezing. Could see a frost Friday morning, then only warm up into the lower to mid 60s on Friday. And again, that repeats itself. We'll start Saturday morning on a cold note. We could have freezing temperatures or right around that 30 to 35 degrees. And then we warm into the middle 70s, heading towards 80 for Sunday and Monday. And then that's ahead of another system and trough that'll come through Tuesday and Wednesday. That looks dry as well to our north with the precipitation. We might see some snow up in the mountains, maybe some precipitation up in Nebraska and the Dakotas. But for us, we're going to see that yo-yoing temperatures. We'll be talking 80 degrees on Monday, maybe only 60 degrees on Tuesday, maybe 50 degrees on Wednesday, and potentially upper 20s to 30 degrees for those lows Wednesday morning, which would be a hard freeze. And then it gets really active after that. We got 3, 4, maybe troughs coming through from the west and northwest, and that will bring that fluctuating temperatures into the first week, maybe 2 weeks in November, trending colder each time with those systems. And if we get some moisture, no hurricanes in the Gulf to take our moisture away from us, we could be talking increased chances for rain or snow. The long-range computer models are showing 1 to 2 inches of precipitation in that 8 to 14-day period.
All right. Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Zurich.